Hey, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this sunset cut crease summer makeup look. So I'm going to be starting with the Affinitone Maybelline concealer, and I'm going to be using this as a primer. For this look, I'm using the La Roque Tequila Sunrise palette, and it's so beautiful, guys. So the first colour I'm using is this yellowy orange shade called Kumquat, and I'm going to be applying this to the crease of my eye. Then with whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to be applying that to the lower lash line. Next, I'm going in with the colour Sangria, and I'm going to be applying this also into the crease of the eye, but bringing it slightly higher up in the blend. So I'm going to be using one brush to place the colour, and then I'm going to be using a separate brush to blend all of that in. Next, I'm using Teddy Bear, and this is the strongest of the reds, and we're not going to be taking this really high up, so we're going to really be focusing this in the crease. Next, I'm using Black Russian. Now this is the part that's going to start building the smokiness of this look. So I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of the eye. You really don't have to be too careful. You can be quite messy with this because we're going to be doing all kinds of other things afterwards. So it's just about getting that colour and that pigment into the outer corner and then just taking it ever so slightly onto the lower lash line. When the colour is at the intensity that I desire, I'm now going to go in with a blending brush and just blend out those edges. Going back to the Affinitone concealer, I'm now going to start carving out the crease. When doing this and cutting the crease, you just want to make sure that you don't go too far over the black. You can definitely blend it, but you don't want to cover up that really nice intensity. So now I'm going in with the colour Fireball, and this is a pressed glitter, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It is this bronzy golden colour that is just so perfect for a look like this. So I'm applying it to the entire area that we have just cut the crease. Now that I've applied the glitter, I can go back in with my concealer and actually conceal under my eyes. I'm using a sponge to blend that in, and also you can help the shape of the edge of the outer corners of the eyes with the sponge, and you can kind of wing it out like that if you wish. I'm using the L'Oreal Super Liner, and this one is the one that has gold flecks in, which is really beautiful and goes really nice with this look. So I'm not going to be doing anything dramatic or a dramatic winged liner, just going to be applying some black to the eye so that when we put our false lashes on, it will hide the band. Then for the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the colour Sangria on a pointed brush, and I'm going to be applying it sort of midway until it meets the darker colours on the end, and then I'm going to blend them together. For mascara, I'm using Rimmel's Scandal Eyes Reload, and I am applying them to the bottom lashes and to the top lashes as a base for our eyelashes. I'm using the Urban Beauty Ego lashes, and these are so gorgeous for this look. They're fluttery. I like how they wing out on the ends a bit more, and I'm actually showing you how to apply them. This is how I apply lashes, guys. I kind of squish the inner corner and then the outer corner. Now I'm using Antipodes powder, and I'm going to only be applying these to the areas that I feel really need them because I have dry skin, but if you have oilier skin, you might want to apply it everywhere. I'm now using Maybelline's Dream Sun Bronzing Powder. This is a really beautiful bronzer. I feel like it's such a nice tone. It's not too warm, it's not too muddy, and it gives you a really nice sun-kissed look. Next, I'm using Sun-Kissed Baked Perfection highlighter, and I'm going to be using the golden toned highlighter. As you guys can see, it gives such a gorgeous little highlight. Then I'm using Stila's liquid lipstick in Caramella. I wanted a really nude colour. You don't want a lip colour that's going to be too overpowering with this eye look because it's pretty dramatic. So I think that this colour and this texture was just so perfect to finish off this look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Instagram for more looks, and I'll see you next time.